Did you know there's a bird that hunts like a ninja? Meet the great blue heron, one of nature's most patient predators. Standing nearly 4 feet tall, this elegant bird can stay completely still for minutes, waiting for the perfect moment. Then, strike. High voltage. With its sharp, spear-like beak, it snatches fish in a blink. But fish aren't its only prey. Frogs, snakes, insects, even small mammals, are all on the menu. Here's the crazy part. Blue herons can swallow large prey whole, and they hunt both day and night. Despite their calm look, they're powerful flyers, gliding effortlessly over rivers and wetlands with wings wider than a human's height. Silent. Patient. Deadly accurate. Nature's living spear. Backhand index pointing right. Follow for more wild animal facts.